In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Ads account name. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Google Ads website. Once the page loads, sign in to your Google Ads account. Make sure you're using the correct login so you can access the account settings without any issues. If you manage more than one Google Ads account, take a moment to select the correct account before moving forward. This is an important step because you want to make sure you're editing the name of the right account, especially if you work with multiple businesses or campaigns. After that, wait for the Google Ads dashboard to fully load. Depending on your internet connection or how much data is in the account, this may take a few seconds. It's always best to let everything finish loading before clicking around, so the options appear properly. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the top of the page and click the Tools and Settings icon, which looks like a wrench. This menu gives you access to a variety of account options and settings. Under the Setup section, click Preferences. That will take you to the area where you can adjust certain account level details. On the Preferences page, find the section labeled Account Name. This is where the current name of your Google Ads account is displayed. Next to that name, click the Edit icon. This will allow you to make changes to the existing account name. Now, enter your new account name. Try to choose a name that's clear and easy to recognize, especially if you manage several accounts. A descriptive name can make account organization much easier later on. After typing in the new name, click Save to apply the change. At this point, Google Ads will begin updating your account information. Give it a moment to process. In some cases, changes appear right away, while other times it may take a short delay. Once the system has had time to update, refresh the page to confirm that the new account name is now displayed. If you see the updated name, that means the change was successful. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Google Ads account name. This is a simple update, but it can be really helpful for staying organized and keeping your advertising accounts easy to identify. Thanks for watching.